Hey, what's up? Today I want to talk about camera of new budget smartphone Oukitel Y1000. By the way, you can already watch unboxing, performance test and battery test of this phone on our channel Tech Brothers. Oukitel Y1000 is a budget smartphone under $100, but it has dual camera on the back. The camera is good or bad? Let's find out. Oukitel Y1000 has a dual camera on the rear panel, 8 megapixels main sensor and 2 megapixels secondary sensor. However, Antutu benchmark and other apps cannot see the second sensor. I think the second sensor is fake. The front camera is only 5 megapixels. It seems that Oukitel Y1000 has a standard camera app for Android 9.0 operating system. There are 4 shooting modes, such as portrait, video, photo, and beauty. The photo settings menu allows to choose picture size, watermark, camera mute, grid line, and other options. By the way, the maximum video quality is only HD. As you can see, the phone doesn't have electronic image stabilization. Okay, let's look at real sample photos. You can see the main problem of this camera, the lack of details. The photos have good saturated colors, but it seems they are blurred. I have to say that I took these images without moving. As you can see, all the pictures are missing details. Also, I took some photos in portrait mode, and I didn't notice any difference with regular photo mode. It seems that the second sensor is really fake. The photos at night are pretty good, but they also miss details. On the other hand, the images are not overexposed. That's good. As I already said, the maximum video resolution is HD. Also, there is no image stabilization, so the video footage is a little shaky. To be honest, I didn't expect much from camera of a $100 phone. The main problem of this camera is the lack of detail. Also, the maximum video resolution is only HD. If you need a good camera, then Oukitel Y1000 is not for you. You can find a smartphone with a better camera in this price category. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers.